Okay. Alright, we're going to be testing out the local pond today. It's a little bit of a overcast day, a little cloudy, but thinking this could be a good day to fish. This pond usually holds some decent sized fish, so there's a lot of weeds, a lot of underwater grass, so we'll see. I'm going to start over here in the lily pads, and then we'll move our way across the lake. Some spots over there that I usually can catch some fish in. So I'll test it out and see how it goes. I think right now I'm going to throw this toad along the edge here and see what we can do. That didn't go well. Okay. Keep drifting. Keep drifting towards the shoreline here. I got that under control. All right, we're gonna go down to this other end down here. I'm not gonna waste too much time over here. There's either fish or there's not, so I don't want to waste too much time over here. Then I'll go over where I know I can catch some fish. Hit it.
Got him.
Got him. All right. First fish, and it's a good one. First fish, and it's a good one. Look at that. Nice. Got him off the horny toad. All right. Let me back up here. Yeah, not bad. Got him off the horny toad. He hit it, and then I didn't think he had it, so I waited an extra second, and then sure enough, he had it. Oh, let me see what we got here. This is a good fish. I don't think he's, because I need at least an 18 to help with my season-long tournament, and I don't think he's going to be 18. I think he might be. He might be close. I'll have to check him here. Gotta figure this hook out here. He's got this in here twisted. Okay. Well, we're gonna check him. See what he's at here. I don't know if he's going to be 18. No, he's not going to be 18. He's about just about 17, so still a good fish. Okay, that back in. All right, come here, buddy. It's a nice fat fish. Look at that. All right, go back to what you were doing, bud. Excellent. It's a good start. It's a good start to the day. Didn't take too long to get that one. Didn't take too long. Just a matter of finding out where the fish were. A lot of casts leading up to that, so I've been moving along this shoreline over here, and gonna try keep going up this way. Yeah, there's some decent fish in this little lake here. It's just a lake at a local park, and not a lot of people fish it. A lot of people shore fish it, but you only see a few kayaks out here every so often, so it's not a hugely overfished lake. And there are some sizable fish in here. All right, let's move back in here and see what we can do. Got one. All right. Come here, buddy. Little one. Little fish, but second one of the day. Took a long time to get this guy, but all right, bud. All right, second fish of the day, just a little guy. Nothing too big. Throw him back, and then I'm gonna move back a little bit. Yeah, there's a lot of submerged timber and stuff over in this side of the pond, and I'm stuck on something there. Definitely stuck on something. That's not a fish. Oh, that's weeds. But usually I can get some decent sized fish over here on this side. Well, we'll see. We'll see what we got here. Alright, I'm gonna move up a little bit. Try a couple other spots here. I'll come back to this tree because this tree is usually good. Usually some fish hanging around it. So I'm gonna go up a little bit here. I got one. Yep. Little one. But I got one. Alright, little guy. Little guy, but I got one. Let me back up a little bit here. All right, that's the third fish of the day. I've got one decent one and two little dinks. If you can see the size of this guy to my hand, he's pretty small. All right, get out of here, buddy. Yep. Well, the other day I went fishing and I actually took my first skunk of the year. But I think what it is there's been some very unsettled weather lately, and a lot of thunderstorms, a lot of rain, a lot of, that kind of stuff. And I just think the bigger fish are just either not biting or they're just out deeper. And the only thing I've been catching is like these little dinks in towards the shoreline. It's also been very, very hot, so it's been a very, very warm summer, so that probably has a lot to do with it too. But I've been trying to punch mats and fish undercover and things like that. Usually you can pull some decent sized fish out during the summer, but this year it just seems like the big fish are real hard to find. And I think it's just the weather. I think it's just a different weather pattern this year, and hopefully in the fall fishing will pick up again. Only got a few weeks till the fall. I got another tournament coming up in a week, so we'll see how the fishing picks up over the next 3-4 weeks. Definitely a lot of submerged stuff down there because I can feel it bouncing off my lure. Well, so far we got 3 fish, 2 dinks and 1 decent one. But it would be nice to catch a couple more here before I call it a day. I got about another hour or so before I call it.